chapel to street, same fire, same spirit.
Oh Jah,
awake in the land,
awake in the land.
awake in the land.
From the dust we stand.
From the dust we stand. Midnight bell ring, but no one sleep. Voices rise from the valley deep. Old time prayer in a new time cry. Same old truth they can't deny. From the hills where the prophets try, to the corners where we call on God. Every burden, every broken scar, turn to strength in who we are. And the pressure come from every side. Still the faithful now go run and hide. Through the storm we testify. Fire in we bones we now let it die. The spirit of our land keeps rising, higher than the fear and the fighting. Through the tears and the sacrificing, still we stand,
Still we rising.
Lord, the spirit of our land keeps
Rising.
through the dark, see the light igniting. From the roots to the hills united, hearts on fire.
We keep rising.
Babylon whisper, twist the word, but the truth still loaded, must be heard. You them lost in a world so cold, trading their birthright cheap for gold. But the elder chants still echo strong. Hold the faith, don't drift too long. Plant your feet where your roots run deep. So what you reap, and reap what you keep. Ready? We ready now.
Steady, steady.
We hold the ground.
Plant a seed.
Watch it grow.
Watch it grow.
Grow from the fire.
Let it show. No chain can bind what just set free. No wall too high for faith to see. Through every trial, through every test, we carry the power within our chest. Not by my